In this video, we're breaking down the Home Assistant 2026.8 beta version. This entire release focuses on one core goal, making HA much easier to use and lowering the barrier to entry, so anyone, regardless of their tech background, can get into smart home automation. Let's start with the most noticeable change. Home Assistant is dropping port 8123 as the default. If you've been using Home Assistant for a while, you probably type :8123 after your IP address without even thinking. But for someone just getting started, remembering a custom port number just to open a web page was an unnecessary extra step. So for new Home Assistant installs, Home Assistant now defaults to standard web ports, port 80 for HTTP. If you're an existing user, don't worry, your current port won't change. On top of that, you can now edit your port number directly inside the UI, no YAML editing required. And to make sure you don't accidentally lock yourself out, Home Assistant added a 5-minute countdown confirmation. If you change the port and don't confirm it within 5 minutes, or if the test fails, it automatically rolls back to your old port. Also, if you had web server settings in your YAML configuration, Home Assistant automatically migrates them to the UI on your first startup. Beyond network ports, this update also simplifies a lot of the intimidating technical labels. They've removed the advanced and expert tags in 43 places across the web interface, documentation, and companion app. Instead of labeling features by difficulty level, it now clearly explains what each feature actually does. Along with that, Developer Tools in the sidebar has been renamed to just Tools, a small change that makes those utilities feel much more approachable. Next up, the Home Assistant Cloud interface got a massive visual overhaul. It's significantly cleaner, featuring a dedicated overview dashboard that breaks each feature into its own isolated card and settings page. When you set it up for the first time, you now get a guided step-by-step setup wizard. And if you're not ready to configure everything right away, you can skip or delay any step and finish it whenever you want. Moving over to system organization, you can now rename entity IDs and customize sorting however you like, without being forced into rigid area-based naming rules. Under the hood, the device registry got a major refactor. It no longer merges device entries. Previously, if a single physical device was connected through 2 different integrations, Home Assistant would automatically merge them into a single device record. Now, each integration maintains its own device entry independently. After upgrading, previously merged devices will automatically separate and move entities to their correct device, and your existing automations and scripts remain completely unaffected. Now, let's talk about what's new in trigger and integration. First, we get a new vibration condition to check if a device is currently vibrating. Additionally, once you head over to the integrations page and add the built-in moon integration, you get access to new moon triggers and conditions supporting moon phases like new moon, crescents, and full moon. Apart from automations, this release introduces 13 new native integrations covering everything from health tracking to audio hardware. I think the biggest highlights here are the new local AI options. First, native Light LLM support lets you use a Light LLM proxy, an open-source AI gateway designed to simplify managing multiple LLM APIs as your conversation agent. Second, native llama.cpp support allows you to run a local LLM server directly in Home Assistant, giving you way more flexibility for running AI locally. By the way, I've put together a document summarizing every video, link in the description. Let me know in the comments which 2026.8 feature you're most excited to try. As always, your likes and subscribes keep me going. Thanks for watching.